Let's start with a problem every Laravel beginner hits. Right now, this page doesn't exist. Let's fix it. Let me show you where that gets fixed. I will start defining a route for this URL. This tells Laravel what to return when someone visits home. Now let's refresh. Perfect, that's working. So what just happened? In Laravel, every page starts with a route. If Laravel doesn't find a matching route, you get a 404 page. Once the route exists, Laravel knows what exactly to show. Returning text is fine for testing, but real websites don't return text, they return pages. So instead of returning text, let's return a view. Now Laravel will look for a view called home. And if we refresh now, this error is expected. Laravel is looking for a view file that doesn't exist yet. Views live inside the resources view folder. I'm creating a blade view file called home. Blade file don't need full HTML right now. We will clean up this later using layouts. Let's refresh. Nice, now we have a real page. URL goes to a route. Route returns a view. View renders HTML in the browser. Let's do the same thing for an about page. Let's create a about page. Now I can directly go to about. And because we added links, I can move between pages. One more thing, route can pass data to views. And in Blade, we can print it like this. Refresh. That value is coming from the route into the view. Once routes and views are clear, Laravel becomes predictable. And when Laravel is predictable, everything else becomes easier. In the next video, we will move this logic into the controllers and organize our app the Laravel way. I will see you in next video. Thank you.